Novel herbal gel of Kigelia africana, lamb, benth, fruits extract formulation and evaluation. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The whole plant of Kigelia africana, lamb, benth, belongs to the Bignoniaceae family and is widely cultivated throughout tropical and subtropical regions of the world, mainly in India and South Africa. Herbal medicine has gained significant global importance due to its medicinal properties and economic value. These herbal medicines have increased, and their quality, safety, and efficiency are serious concerns in industrialized and developing countries. The Kigelia plant is easily available at river banks and woodlands. The present research has been undertaken with the aim of formulating and evaluating the herbal gel containing Kigelia africana, lamb, benth, fruit extract. The Kigelia africana, lamb, benth, fruit extract contains alkaloids, saponins, glycosides, carbohydrates, tannins, flavonoids, proteins, terpenoids, and fats. The gel formulation was developed by using Carbopol 940, Kigelia africana, lamb, benth, fruit extract, propylene glycol, methylperbane, propylperbane, and the required amount of distilled water. The skin pH, 6.8 to 7.1, was maintained by dropways addition of trithanolamine. The physicochemical parameters of formulations, pH, spreadability, stability, etc., were determined. Stability studies have been carried out as per ICH guidelines for 3 months at different temperatures and humidity. The results showed that the formulation containing 5% Kigelia africana, lamb, benth, fruit extract shows better stability. Further formulations have been studied for skin irritation on the animal model, rat, and results showed that there was no skin irritation in animals. In conclusion, the studies revealed that the developed single herbal formulation consisting of 5% Kigelia africana, lamb, benth, extract comparatively better than the other formulations, but all the formulations were non-irritant and did not show any skin toxicity when applied daily for 7 days in rats. Its antibacterial and antifungal property was not undertaken for any scientific study with herbal gel. Introduction. Kigelia africana, also known as the sausage tree, is a medicinal plant commonly found in India and South Africa. It is rich in natural compounds, especially luteolin, which has healing properties. Traditionally, this plant has been used to treat skin issues like infections, swelling, and wounds. Luteolin not only helps with skin conditions but may also affect brain function by calming nerve activity. In Zimbabwe and India, it has long been used in natural remedies for wounds and diabetes-related skin ulcers. Today, Kigelia africana is being studied for use in modern skincare products. A gel-based formulation using ingredients like Carbopol registered trademark symbol 940 and propylene glycol helps improve skin absorption, texture, and shelf life. These gels are smooth, easy to apply, and leave minimal residue, making them ideal for acne treatment and general skincare. Overall, Kigelia africana shows promise as a natural ingredient in effective and user-friendly skin treatments. Conclusion. The plant Kigelia africana, lamb, benth, was selected for the study, whose extract was very useful in the treatment of wounds. Literature survey revealed that this plant is used traditionally for various ailments, especially for its wound healing property. Extensive scientific studies were not performed on this plant. It is an attempt made to establish the herbal gel containing Kigelia africana, lamb, benth, fruit extract at various concentrations, 1% and 5%. Brahmaram Betal, 2015. The studies revealed that the developed single herbal formulation consisting of 5% Kigelia africana, lamb, benth, extract comparatively better than later other formulations, but all the formulations were non-irritant and did not show any skin toxicity when applied daily for 7 days in rats. Its antibacterial and antifungal property was not undertaken for any scientific study with herbal gel. Hence, the present work is performed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.